Welcome to a world of wonder, where curiosity meets creativity. Today, we're embarking on another thrilling adventure through the world of knowledge and entertainment. Let's talk about the science of stress, how it affects your health and wealth. Stress is an inevitable part of life. It's our body's natural response to challenges, whether they're physical, emotional, or psychological. In small doses, stress can be beneficial, even motivating. However, chronic or excessive stress can have profound effects on our health and wealth. In this video, we will delve into the science of stress, examining how it impacts both our physical well-being and financial stability. Understanding stress. To comprehend how stress affects us, we must first understand its underlying mechanisms. When faced with a stressor, be it a demanding project at work, a challenging relationship, or a sudden danger, our body activates its stress response. This response involves the release of stress hormones, primarily cortisol and adrenaline. Cortisol, often referred to as the stress hormone, prepares the body for a fight or flight response. It increases heart rate, elevates blood pressure, and boosts energy levels by converting stored glycogen into glucose. Meanwhile, adrenaline amplifies these effects, heightening alertness and vigilance. In a short burst, this response can be life-saving, helping us react quickly to danger. However, when stress persists over time, as is often the case in our modern, fast-paced lives, it takes a toll on our health. Causes: work-related stress. Heavy workloads, an excessive amount of work, tight deadlines, and high job demands can lead to stress. Job insecurity. The fear of job loss or uncertainty about future employment can be a significant stressor. Conflict at work. Workplace conflicts with colleagues or superiors can cause stress. Financial stress. Debt. Accumulating debt, inability to meet financial obligations, and financial insecurity can be highly stressful. Unemployment or underemployment. A lack of stable income or being underemployed can lead to financial stress. Personal relationships. Conflict, disagreements, arguments, or strained relationships with family members, friends, or romantic partners can be emotionally taxing. Divorce or breakup. The end of a significant relationship can be a major life stressor. Life transitions. Major life changes. Events such as moving, getting married, having a child, or experiencing the death of a loved one can cause stress. Aging. Growing older and facing health-related concerns or retirement can be stressful. Health concerns. Chronic illness. Coping with a chronic health condition or caring for a loved one with such a condition can be stressful. Medical procedures. The anticipation of surgery or medical treatments can cause stress. Mental health issues. Conditions like anxiety and depression can contribute to stress. Academic stress. Exams and assignments. Students often experience stress due to academic pressures, including exams, projects, and assignments. Peer and social pressure. Social dynamics and peer pressure can contribute to stress, especially among adolescents. Environmental stress. Natural disasters. Experiencing or living in an area prone to natural disasters like hurricanes, earthquakes, or wildfires can be highly stressful. Environmental pollution. Exposure to pollution or environmental toxins can have adverse effects on health and cause stress. Technology and information overload. Constant connectivity. The constant use of smartphones and digital devices can lead to information overload and stress. Social media. Negative experiences on social media, such as cyberbullying or excessive comparison, can contribute to stress. Personal expectations and perfectionism. High expectations. Setting unrealistically high standards for oneself can lead to chronic stress. Perfectionism. Striving for perfection in all aspects of life can create a constant sense of pressure. Trauma and PTSD. Physical or emotional trauma. Exposure to traumatic events, such as accidents, violence, or abuse, can result in post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. Lack of control, feeling powerless. When individuals perceive a lack of control over their circumstances, it can contribute to stress. Social and political factors. Societal issues, socio-political events, discrimination, and systemic inequalities can lead to stress, particularly for marginalized groups. Cultural and societal expectations. Cultural norms. Cultural and societal expectations regarding success, appearance, or behavior can create stress for individuals who feel pressure to conform. The impact on health. Chronic stress can have a profound impact on our physical health. Here are some ways stress affects the body. Weakening the immune system. Prolonged stress can suppress the immune system's effectiveness, making us more vulnerable to infections and illnesses. Increasing inflammation. Stress triggers the release of inflammatory chemicals, which, when chronic, can lead to conditions like cardiovascular disease, arthritis, and digestive disorders. Disrupting sleep patterns. Stress often disrupts our sleep, which is crucial for overall health. Poor sleep quality can exacerbate stress and create a vicious cycle. Mental health implications. Chronic stress is a significant risk factor for mental health issues, including anxiety and depression. The brain's structure and chemistry can be altered by stress, affecting mood and cognitive function. Heart health. Stress contributes to heart problems by raising blood pressure and increasing the risk of arrhythmias and heart attacks. Weight gain. Stress-induced cortisol can lead to weight gain, particularly around the abdomen, increasing the risk of obesity and related health issues. Stress and your brain. Stress doesn't just impact our bodies. It also has a profound effect on our brains. Neuroscientists have made significant discoveries regarding how stress alters brain structure and function. Chronic stress can lead to a reduction in the size of the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for decision-making, problem-solving, and controlling impulsive behavior. This can result in impaired judgment and difficulty managing stress effectively. Conversely, stress can lead to increased activity in the amygdala, the brain region associated with emotions such as fear and anxiety. This heightened activity can make individuals more susceptible to stress-related disorders, including anxiety disorders and post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. Financial impact of stress. While the effects of stress on physical health are well documented, its impact on financial well-being is equally significant but often overlooked. Here are ways stress can affect your wealth. Poor financial decision-making. Stress impairs cognitive functions, including those related to financial decision-making. Stressed individuals are more likely to make impulsive and risky financial choices. Reduced work productivity. Chronic stress can lead to decreased productivity at work. Stress-induced fatigue and distraction can hinder job performance, potentially impacting income and career progression. Job loss. Extreme or prolonged stress can lead to burnout, which may result in job loss. Stress-induced health issues can also lead to time off work, impacting income stability. Medical expenses. Health problems stemming from chronic stress can lead to substantial medical expenses, including doctor visits, medications, and therapy. Impact on investment strategies. Stress can lead investors to make irrational decisions during market volatility, potentially resulting in financial losses. Strain on relationships. Stress can place strain on personal relationships, leading to financial disputes, divorce, or separations, which can impact wealth distribution and financial stability. Coping strategies. Thankfully, there are effective strategies for managing and mitigating stress. Regular exercise. Physical activity is one of the most potent stress reducers. It releases endorphins, which act as natural mood lifters. Mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness practices, including meditation, can help manage stress by promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. Breathing exercises. Simple breathing exercises can calm the nervous system and reduce stress levels. Social support. Sharing feelings and concerns with friends, family, or therapist can provide emotional support and reduce the burden of stress. Time management. Efficiently managing time and setting realistic goals can help reduce work-related stress. Seeking professional help. In cases of severe or chronic stress, it's essential to seek help from a healthcare professional or therapist. Conclusion. In the fast-paced world we live in, understanding the science of stress is crucial. Chronic stress can take a severe toll on our physical health, mental well-being, and financial stability. By recognizing the signs of stress and implementing effective coping strategies, we can protect our health and wealth, ensuring a happier and more prosperous life. Remember that stress is a natural response to life's challenges, but it's also something we can learn to manage. Prioritizing self-care, seeking support when needed, and making informed financial decisions can all contribute to a healthier and wealthier future. Stay curious, stay connected, and keep exploring with us. See you in the next video.